Alright, you want to code HTML and CSS at faster speed. Emmet is the solution. Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth part of the Emmet series, custom snippets. Snippets are just blocks of plain code that you frequently use. And for this whole series, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my VS-based videos and find the links in the description below. Now let me add a template for HTML and let me show you what snippet is. But before that, say I'm gonna type in here, let's say, let me type it first, an order list, and an order list with the closing tag UL. It's gonna bug me a lot. And now I'm gonna add in here a list item, and this list item will have a couple of attributes, say ID, and the value would be, say, foo, and this list item will also have a class of bar. Now let's copy this list item a couple of times, and I'm also gonna add in here, say, some text here. Alright, so many times you wanna use any lines of code very frequently. So in that case, what you can do is you can create a code snippet or associate any variable that you like with the code you want. Just type that variable and that will provide you the complete code that you have made a snippet for. So let's go to settings. If you are using Visual Studio Code, just press Ctrl or Command comma to open settings panel and type in here Emmet dot, say, Emmet and extensions path. Here you will add a folder of the file that we will create. Since we will create the file in the root folder, so you can type here period followed by / and hit OK. Right now I don't have any abbreviation associated with this code, so what you can do, just come in here and create a new file, say SNIPPETS.JSON, hit enter, and let's type in here curly braces, and inside here I'm gonna add codes HTML. Let me type that first, then I'll explain everything for you. Curly braces, and inside here I'm gonna add codes snippets colon, and the value would be colon ULL, say, yes, ULL, and the value would be in quotes UL, and inside UL I'm gonna add list item square brackets ID equals, say, $, curly braces 1, then I'm gonna add a class as well. The value would be $, curly braces 2, and then I'm gonna add it here 2 times, so I'll need asterisk 2 and then some text here. Now let me explain you what the heck is it? First we specify syntax name. In this case this is HTML. Then sorry, I made a mistake here. Let's correct this with T, snippets. Then we specify snippet section, and inside snippet section, this is the variable that we use to get these lines of code. So then you add the variable, and the value of this variable would be the code that you wanna associate with this variable. Now I'm gonna save this file yet. Let's go back to our index.html, and if I type in here ULL, I don't get any suggestions. But if I hit save and then come back to index.html and type in here say ULL again, we get this snippet. And if I hit enter, it gives us the same code that we typed earlier. So in a nutshell, if we type ULL and HTML documents, now Emmet will render this code for us. And that was all about how you can add your own snippets to Emmet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.